The question is f of x is equal to x tan inverse x. Find f dash of 1. Here given that f of x is equal to x tan minus 1 x. Now find f dash x. F dash x is equal to x tan to the power minus 1 x into dash. So here we are applying the product rule. Product rule. That is f dash x is equal to x dash tan minus 1 x plus x into tan minus 1 x dash. That's equal to x dash is equal to 1 and tan minus 1 x plus x into tan minus 1 x dash is equal to 1 by x plus x square plus 1. That all we already studied these formulas. So you must study the formulas thoroughly. Then only we can solve these questions easily. That is equal to tan minus 1 x plus x by 1 plus x square. This is f dash x. Now we need to find f dash 1. F dash of 1. So we'll substitute the values of x by 1. That's equal to tan minus 1 f dash 1 is equal to tan minus 1 into of 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 square. That's equal to tan minus 1 of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. That's equal to tan minus 1 of 1 plus 1 by 2. Tan minus 1 of 1 is equal to 5 by 4. These are all in the textbook formulas. We are just applying it. 5 by 4 plus 1 by 2. This is the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.